Welcome to Cisco ISE Posture Compliance video series. In this video, we are going to talk about the agent types. That means Cisco secure client types that are available for you to deploy on the endpoints. The first one is a persistent agent, which is recommended because it offers more controls and features, and it can be deployed from the ISE or VPN hidden systems or your software distribution systems or UEMs. The second one is a stealth agent, which runs as a service in the background and it offers limited remediations and notification support. The same can be deployed from the ISE or VPN headends or even the software distribution systems. The third one is a temporal agent, which is going to be deployed from the ISE or a VPN headends, and it is going to be removed once after the first run. So it's going to be suited for most like a guest or a contractors or where you don't want to install any agent on the endpoints itself. The fourth one is an agentless, which doesn't have a UI and no user interaction required, no installation required for you to get the posture of an endpoint. So based on your requirement, you can choose any of these agent types to get the posture of an endpoint and give the differentiated privileges based on the compliance of an endpoint. Thanks for watching.